Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be talking about Seagate RMA or Return Merchandise Authorization. So when we buy our Seagate products from the store, they usually give us a 1-year warranty. So in case the product fails within that year, you can return the product itself to the store and then they will have it checked and replaced. So in some instances, the product fails right after the warranty expires. So that's where RMA comes in. So you can return the faulty product even if it expires the store warranty directly to Seagate.
Here are some of my external hard drives I bought from Seagate. So let's find out if these are still under warranty. The first one is an 8TB Seagate expansion, which I acquired last 2017, and the most recent one I have is a 4TB expansion, the smaller one, which I acquired last year if I'm correct. So come on, let's find out if these are still under warranty. So let's start checking if the hard drives are still under warranty. First, let us go to Seagate's website, which is seagate.com. And then support, warranty and replacements. So here we just have to enter our serial number. My 8TB is NA8, so here it is. I'm not a robot. And then let's find what's being asked. Okay, verify and then check warranty. Wait for it to finish. So sadly, my 8TB has expired last December 2018. So in case this fails, I can no longer return this to Seagate. But I believe in Seagate, so I hope this will last for more years. Let's check another product. My 4TB serial is NAA. So here it is. I'm not a robot. Traffic lights. Okay, verify. And then check warranty. Here, my 4TB is still valid till February 2021. So again, in case this hard drive fails, I can still return this to Seagate so they can replace this hard drive with a working one. So for more information on the RMA process or return merchandise authorization guide, you can visit my website, which I will be linking down below the description. So Seagate will be able to replace your faulty hard drive with a fresh new one. So that's it guys, hopefully this helped you, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel for more information.
So that's it for me for now guys. Hope you find this video informative and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.